What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to yet another update on Phoenix Global, or PHB, which I think you all know has had a massive bull run, a parabolic rally, I guess we could actually call this, all the way from 20 cents to where we are right now and the level we touched earlier today at $2.5. Volume at 500 million, which I mean, it still only has an 83 million market cap, right? So with that volume, it could still do a 100 or not a 100x, but like a 2x, 100% move. That's still very possible. So the thing is that there's no real fundamentals behind this. This whole move started with the listing on MEXC and a stablecoin. PHB against BUSD. But right now, I mean, they haven't posted something on Twitter for the last 4 days. Just enjoyed their weekend, I think. And still, I mean, this is just a typical crypto bull run, right? There's no real fundamentals behind it in the way that there's no real news. You could actually, I mean, it's a legit project. You could actually like the project. I understand. I held some of it at some point too. And yeah, you can guess that I'm pretty bummed out right now. It had a redenomination, so it used to be PHX, as you can see. Doesn't matter, I also held PHX. But so yeah, in this video, I kind of just wanted to take a look at it again. Yesterday in the analysis, my price target was $2. We reached that, rejected from that, but then eventually we broke that. The main thing is, in this video, I wanted to see how high we can actually get. That's what we're going to be exploring. But apart from that, we're also getting some big news today in the form of inflation rate. So if you want to check that out, check out myfxbook.com, and then the economic calendar here at the top. The most important ones are the inflation rate, core inflation rate, and the CPI year on year. If they are actually higher than expected, that's bearish. If they're lower than expected, that's bullish. That's going to affect the entire crypto market, all right? So if they're really higher than expected, I think PHB is actually going to fall pretty hard, all the way down to 1.5, and we might even drop down a little bit lower, but 1.5 at first. So prepare yourself for that. I mean, we could actually see a pretty big crash after that if it's really higher than expected. If it's lower than expected, that's great. Doesn't necessarily mean we reach our next price target at $3, because that's my next price target for PHB. The main thing is right now with PHB is that you can see a very clear pattern. All right, and it's all about momentum with PHB right now. It's all about momentum because a lot of people are investing. Investing high. They're going to take losses and also take profits quite soon after falling. Just because it's a parabolic rally like that, usually what happens is if it falls down hard. So the clear pattern you can see right now is that resistance, for example, here at 1.5, then we get to our next price target. If we stay above our previous resistance level, we're going to break above that. So right now we broke above the resistance level at $2. If we can stay above $2, we're going to break above 2.5 and getting up to $3. And then the same from $3. If from $3 we can stay above 2.5, we're going to get to 3.5. Because it seems to be reacting to those psychological levels very well. And there's actually something to say that 2.5 is going to be the top. 2.5 is a very strong psychological resistance level. So the thing right now is, as I said, we just need to stay above $2. All right, we can actually go below that level, but we should actually close above that level on the 1 hour time frame. If we can do that for the upcoming, I'd say 12 hours or something, or a little bit less, or if we just break above 2.5, we're going to go up to $3. All right, and then from there, the same applies. If we can stay above 2.5, we're going up to 3.5. But as I said, inflation rate, if it's actually lower than expected, then we could actually get a move over 2.5 very quickly. But if it's lower than expected, and in general, if PHB drops down below $2 and we really close below $2, then we would probably close around 1.85. We're going to take a break retest, drop down all the way to 1.6 and 1.5, and then from there we'll have to see. Right? I mean, there's quite a big chance that if we break down below $2, I think 1.5 is going to hold for a little bit, but after that we could easily drop down to this $1 level too. So just be careful with it, all right? Because I really think that when it's going to fall down hard. If we keep momentum, we can actually get higher, but just be careful with it. All right, so that's my take and my analysis on PHB for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today, and bye.